Imagine waking up each morning with a heart full of gratitude, conscious of the divine presence. Welcome to this video about gratitude and waking up with God. Gratitude is a spiritual practice. It's more than just saying thank you or appreciating when things go our way. It's an attitude, a way of life that requires attention, intention, and repetition. It's about waking up each day with an awareness of the divine presence that surrounds us, that's within us, that's within each moment we experience. Before we continue on this faithful path, please do not forget to subscribe. Our videos are free and will be forever, and this way you can support us. When we open our eyes to a new day, we are given a fresh opportunity to begin anew. This is our chance to reset, to start fresh, to approach life with a renewed sense of purpose and perspective. Each day is a gift, a divine offering that we are invited to unwrap with a heart filled with gratitude. But cultivating this heart of gratitude, my friends, is not always an automatic response. It's not something that just happens. It's a conscious choice. It's like exercising a muscle. If you want it to grow stronger, you need to work on it, to train it, to push it beyond its comfort zone. And so it is with gratitude. We need to train our hearts, our minds, our souls to be thankful, to recognize the blessings in our lives, even when they're disguised as challenges, to appreciate the abundance that surrounds us, even when we're tempted to focus on what's missing. This intentional training of gratitude has a transformative power. It changes us from the inside out. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, from what's wrong to what's right, from the problems to the possibilities. It's not about denying the difficulties or ignoring the challenges. It's about choosing to see the blessings amidst the burdens, the beauty amidst the brokenness, the divine amidst the daily. Cultivating gratitude is like building a muscle. It requires consistent effort and mindfulness, but the reward is a life filled with appreciation and spiritual growth. This is the awakening of gratitude, a journey that we are all invited to embark on, a journey that will enrich our lives in ways we can hardly imagine. Gratitude is a transformative force, shifting our focus from scarcity to abundance. Imagine the power of gratitude as a lens, a unique perspective that can change the way you view your world. It's like putting on glasses that suddenly bring clarity, allowing you to see the vibrant colors and intricate details that were always there, just waiting to be noticed. Gratitude helps us to recognize the abundance that surrounds us. Instead of dwelling on what we lack, we start to appreciate what we have. The half-empty glass becomes half full. We begin to see life not as a series of problems to solve, but as a cascade of blessings to savor. But it's more than that. Gratitude is transformative, not just in how it changes our perspective, but in how it changes us. It's like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. The stronger it gets, the more naturally it comes. And the more naturally it comes, the more profound its effects. Gratitude fosters resilience. It's our shield against life's challenges, our buoy in the stormy seas. When we're grateful, we're able to see challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth. We understand that even in the midst of trials, there are lessons to be learned and blessings to be gleaned. Gratitude also enhances our appreciation of life's blessings. It amplifies the joy we derive from simple pleasures, from the warmth of the sun on our skin to the smile of a loved one. It makes us savor each moment, mindful of its fleeting nature and grateful for its existence. But let's be clear, gratitude is not always easy. It takes effort, it takes mindfulness. It takes a willingness to look beyond the surface, to seek out the silver linings, to hold on to hope even in the face of adversity. It's a muscle that requires regular training, but with each flex we grow stronger, our hearts grow fuller, and our lives grow richer. Gratitude is not just a response to good fortune, it's a choice that can enrich our spiritual journey. It's a conscious decision to wake up each day with a heart filled with appreciation, setting a positive and appreciative tone for the unfolding moments ahead. Every dawn is an invitation to start anew with a heart filled with gratitude. Just as the sun rises to paint the sky with its radiant hues, so too does every new day offer us an opportunity to awaken our conscious awareness of the divine presence. It's a chance to open our eyes, not just to the physical world around us, but to the spiritual essence that permeates every moment of our existence. Imagine if we could wake up each morning with this awareness, feeling the divine presence as a comforting blanket around us, reminding us of our connection to something greater. It's like stepping into a new day with an ally, a guide, a companion who walks with us through every moment, through every challenge and triumph. The act of waking up, the very first conscious moment we have each day, holds a certain power. It sets the tone for the entire day. If we start this moment with a heart full of gratitude, we're already setting a positive tone. A tone that resonates with the rhythm of appreciation and love. But waking up with God, it's not just about recognizing the divine presence. It's about expressing gratitude for this presence, for the countless blessings that unfold each day. It's about acknowledging that every breath we take, every beat of our heart is a gift. It's about realizing that even the challenges we face are opportunities for growth, for learning, for deepening our connection to the divine. This is the power of gratitude. It's the lens through which we can see the world in its true light, in its divine essence. It's the key that unlocks the door to a deeper appreciation of our lives, a deeper connection to our spiritual journey. So, as we wake up each day, let us make a conscious choice to embrace this moment with a heart full of gratitude. Let us recognize the divine presence. Let us appreciate the countless blessings that unfold. For each new day is a gift, a chance to start anew, a chance to live our lives with a heart filled with gratitude. Every moment is an opportunity to express gratitude for the divine presence and the countless blessings that unfold. Developing a habit of gratitude is like training a muscle. It requires regular practice and consistency. Much like how a bodybuilder doesn't develop strong muscles overnight, cultivating a habit of gratitude is a process. It's about learning to flex the gratitude muscle in our hearts day in and day out until it becomes second nature. Consider the daily blessings that we often take for granted. The warmth of the sun, the cool breeze, the laughter of a loved one, or even the simple privilege of waking up to a new day. These are all gifts that we can be grateful for. Through regular practice, we can enhance our ability to recognize these blessings and appreciate them more deeply. Gratitude, however, isn't just about acknowledging the good things in life. It's also about finding reasons to be thankful, even in challenging circumstances. When we train ourselves to look for the silver lining, we start to see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. This shift in perspective can make a significant difference in our overall outlook on life. Moreover, gratitude is not a one-time act. It is a lifestyle. It is choosing to wake up each day with a heart full of appreciation, regardless of what the day may bring. It's about taking a moment amid the hustle and bustle of life to pause and appreciate the beauty of existence. The more we practice gratitude, the stronger our gratitude muscle becomes. Over time, we find ourselves naturally inclined to count our blessings rather than our problems. This is the transformative power of gratitude. It changes our focus from what we lack to what we have, from what's wrong to what's right. Let's not wait for extraordinary moments to express gratitude. Instead, let's make gratitude a regular part of our daily lives. Let's start and end each day with a thankful heart, recognizing that every moment is a gift to be cherished. With regular practice, we can wake up each day with a heart full of appreciation, setting a positive tone for the day. Let us now enter into a prayer of gratitude, acknowledging the divine presence in our lives. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, allow your heart to open in appreciation for the gift of a new day. Each sunrise presents us with an opportunity to start afresh, to experience the world anew, and to wake up with a conscious awareness of the divine presence. We express our deepest gratitude for this remarkable gift. However, we understand that gratitude, much like a muscle, requires effort and mindfulness to cultivate. It is not always our natural inclination, but a choice we consciously make. So, we seek the strength to consistently flex this muscle of gratitude, to train our hearts to find joy in the simple things, and to appreciate the blessings that often go unnoticed. Gratitude, we recognize, is a transformative force. It shifts our focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. It allows us to see the world through a lens of appreciation, where challenges are viewed as opportunities for growth, and the beauty of existence becomes even more apparent. We aspire to develop this perspective, to cultivate a habit of gratitude so that, even amidst life's complexities, we can wake up each day with hearts filled with appreciation. Each new day is a symbol of renewal, a chance to begin again with a grateful heart. We ask for divine guidance to help us navigate our day with a mindset of thankfulness. We understand that every moment is a precious opportunity to express gratitude for the divine presence in our lives and the countless blessings that unfold. We pray for the wisdom to not just react to favorable circumstances with gratitude, but to choose it, to make gratitude an integral part of our spiritual journey. Waking up with God is an invitation to start each day with hearts filled with gratitude, setting a positive and appreciative tone for the unfolding moments ahead. May this prayer guide us in our journey of cultivating gratitude and waking up each day with God. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it's a powerful tool for spiritual growth. Just as the dawn ushers in a new day, so too does gratitude illuminate our spiritual path, casting a warm and inviting light on our journey towards a deeper connection with the divine. Let's take a moment to reflect on the transformative power of gratitude. It's like a gentle rain that nourishes the soil of our souls, allowing the seeds of positivity and contentment to sprout and flourish. By shifting our focus from what we lack to what we have, gratitude cultivates an environment of abundance, where even the smallest blessings are magnified and the beauty of existence becomes more apparent. Now imagine gratitude as a muscle. Just like physical strength, the power of gratitude needs to be trained and nurtured. It requires the same level of effort and mindfulness as a rigorous workout. The more we exercise this muscle, the stronger it becomes. Soon we find ourselves able to lift the weights of life's challenges with greater ease, viewing them not as burdens, but as opportunities for growth. The act of waking up each morning is a profound gift, an invitation to start anew with a grateful heart. It is in these quiet moments of dawn that we have the opportunity to flex our gratitude muscle, to set the tone for the day by acknowledging the divine presence and the countless blessings that await us. As we navigate through the complexities of life, it is this habit of gratitude that can anchor us, that can keep us grounded amidst the swirling currents of change. Each moment becomes an opportunity to express our thanks, to appreciate the divine presence in our lives, and to recognize the blessings that continually unfold. This, then, is the essence of spiritual growth. It is a journey enriched by a habitual practice of gratitude, a journey where every step is a testament to the transformative power of a thankful heart. Remember, waking up with God and cultivating a thankful heart is a choice that can transform our lives. It is a choice that can illuminate our path, nourish our souls, and ultimately lead us towards a deeper, more meaningful connection with the divine. As we conclude our journey today, let us make a commitment to cultivate gratitude and wake up each day with God. Much like a muscle that needs consistent training, gratitude requires practice and mindfulness. It is the force that shifts our focus from what is lacking to the abundance that surrounds us. It is the lens that allows us to see the beauty of existence and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Let's make a conscious decision to flex the muscle of gratitude each day, recognizing its transformative power. Even amidst the complexities of life, let's choose to wake up with a heart full of appreciation for the divine presence and the countless blessings that unfold. It's a choice that will enrich our spiritual journey and set a positive tone for the day ahead. And as we strive to cultivate this habit of gratitude, let's remember that we're not alone in this journey. We can find strength and inspiration in a community of fellow seekers. So why not join us? Subscribe to our channel for more content aimed at nurturing your spiritual growth. Let's embark on this journey together, learning, growing, and nurturing our gratitude muscle. For daily reminders of faith, please subscribe to our channel. Let these reminders serve as your anchor, helping you stay grounded and connected with your spiritual self. And if you're looking for something tangible, something you can hold on to, we've created beautiful prints for you. These prints can serve as your daily reminders of faith, a visual representation of your commitment to gratitude. You can find more details about these prints in the description box. They're not just prints, they're symbols of your commitment to start each day with a heart filled with gratitude. In the end, it's not just about recognizing our blessings, it's about living a life of gratitude. It's about waking up each day with God, seeing the divine presence in every moment, and appreciating the gift of each new day. May we all embark on this journey of gratitude, and may we wake up each day with God, our hearts filled with appreciation for the gift of each new day.